Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone languages setting guys, and today video title is guys, how can we change language in Infinix phone device? Means guys, how can we use guys phone language setting? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, on your phone setting, after on phone setting guys, scroll it and friends click on phone system setting, and guys click on language setting. Again click on guys language. So friends, you have one language and two and three, and guys you want to add language, so guys you can add other language. So example for guys, I will take this Marathi language. Friends, you want to change, so when direct guys this Marathi language will change into in English. So as you can see, next language guys you want to change into guys any another language like that, Gujarati language guys, Punjabi language guys, Tamil language, and friends I don't know what this language, but guys you can see this Nepali language guys. And when there are many types of language guys, so which language guys you use, like that one language, so you can use guys this Urdu language if you want, so you can use from here. So like the guy we can change language, and guy we can add it, and guys you want to change into this Hindi, English, so guys you can change from here. You want to change, so guys you can change like that guys. So like the guy we can use guy phone language setting guy, we can add language from here, we can change language from here, and guys you want to remove this language, so friends you can remove this extra language guys you want to remove, you can remove from here guys. So like that guy we can use phone languages setting guy, we can add, we can change, we can use, and we can remove it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.